You know what time it is. Tea Tuesday time. It's Tuesday, and you know what time that means, don't you? It's Life with Patty, and it is Tea Tuesday. Well, let's go see what Grandma did today. Grandma has some really great things to share. I have a new book and a flip through. The book was a gift from my granddaughter. I was so excited to get this beautiful little book, and it has something different than any book I have gotten so far. Well, in the background you can see this is my St. Patty's Day display I had up the other day. I did change things a little bit, as you can see. I added, of course, my beautiful butterflies that I love so much, and I placed my air plants in here, just for a little different. But basically it's the same display as I had there. I thought it turned out pretty nice. What did you think? If you want to see the video, just go back a day or so and you'll find it. I did find one of my little rose pine cones, and this is a real pine cone. I threw it in there just for something new and different to see. But it is Tea Tuesday, so let's see what we have. Ooh, look, King Frog came out and said hi to us today. Thought it'd be good to say hi back. He loves seeing my awesome YouTube friends. And we're having peach tea today, and my cup was a gift from a friend. And it's the most wonderful time of the year to be spending it with you guys for St. Patrick's Day. Isn't it wonderful? I thought it was wonderful. It's always wonderful spending time with my awesome friends. Well, let's go check out the flip through today. A new book that my granddaughter got me, and I can't wait to share it with you. Sit down with a cup of tea and let's see the flip through. Good afternoon, my awesome friends. I am sharing with you a new book that my granddaughter got me just recently. I wanted to share it. We're going to do a flip through of it today, and there's a few things new and different in this book I've never had before. This book is called Simply 1, 2, 3 in the Forest. This book has a double page of everything in it, so you can do it two different ways or share it with a friend, and she does it her way and you do it your way. It also gives you tips in the front of the book and at the back of the book how you can color these pages and put them together and make them look beautiful. I love that also. Isn't it beautiful? And I can't wait to try coloring them and see how they turn out. I always love books that give you tips at the front and the back, give you some ideas on coloring, shading, and what you can do to make them look fabulous. I hope you're going to enjoy it with us. We're going to do this flip through and share it with you. And this book also had something else that I wasn't used to having. This ring binder. Isn't it wonderful? I just love that the pages all lay flat and each page tears out easily, for I could frame it if I wanted to. Thank you so much. Let's sit down with that cup of tea and watch the video and the flip through.